From raw wool to a $10,000 masterpiece. This isn't fashion, it's engineering, it's artistry.
He sees the story I prepared, the shepherd's touch, the roar of revolution.
Our story began with the human silhouette.
Today, heritage meets high-precision engineering. Luxury is no longer a craft.
Before luxury became a symbol,
It was survival's instinct. It was engineering's precision. And the weight of craftsmanship.
It all begins with a single point.
It is art, not science.
Art is a variable. I eliminate variables.
every masterpiece begins in silence. Today, we trace the ultimate odyssey of craft.
From the raw fleece of these peaks.
And you can't tell its story until you've listened.
The raw wool is purified
through a multi-stage filtration process.
stripping away oils and impurities.
While protecting the soul and softness. Of every single fiber.
Too clean. Too perfect. Where is the waste?
Here, raw wool undergoes smart cleaning. We preserve the fiber's natural softness and its premium molecular structure. Every fiber aligned with micron-level precision. We select only the strongest strands, the foundation of true luxury. Y.R.U. X.U.L.
It isn't wool. It was never wool.
My God. The missing persons cases.
Ensuring that every Lifedocumentariys garment tells a story.
Locking in wool's natural elasticity and warm touch. We are not just testing quality. We are defining excellence.
It's an incredible piece of engineering. And in our case, their work brings you often.
The machine has a rhythm, but the soul that comes from here
What is the soul? A story? A feeling? Find the soul, Hanna. Find it. It will become the soul of a $10,000 handmade coat.
Here, raw fibers begin their transformation. Every strand is spun with precision, engineered for warmth, durability, and luxury.
Not all yarn is equal. Here, fibers are aligned and tension tested. Here, texture becomes identity. Each fiber is woven with precision. Softness, strength, and timeless grace. A perfect mathematical balance. Luxury is not just what you see. This fabric has an engineered mission to lock body heat in the extreme cold, while allowing the skin to breathe.
Only a small percentage of fabrics pass this stage.
Here, a coat is not merely sewn. It is sculpted, curve by curve, muscle by muscle.
This is where wool becomes architecture.
A luxury coat is defined by the invisible.
hand-stitched seams a trained eye can feel.
Every single stitch is a signature.
Every stitch matters. This isn't just clothing. It is a statement.
Report!
The exterior is complete, flawless.
Show me the architecture.
Every layer is engineered for a purpose. To trap what must be kept hidden.
Perfect. No one will ever find it. Finish it.
Heat and pressure lock the fabric into its final shape.
Brilliant, so the coat keeps its elegant structure for decades. This coat is not made in a factory.
It is made for one person, one body, one life.
Every luxury coat carries a story.
A journey from living wool to a masterpiece made by human hands. Luxury is not just about material.
It's about identity, personality, and story.
A top luxury coat isn't just beautiful. It must withstand time, climate, and life.
From raw wool to the pinnacle of winter luxury. This is craftsmanship. Every handcrafted piece is shaped like a sculpture, steamed, curved, and refined until the wool breathes with life.
This isn't fast fashion.
This is slow craftsmanship, built for a lifetime. Only the flawless pieces receive the final seal. The signature of craftsmanship.
The lighting, it's too cold.
I need more gold on the texture.
Father, you came. What do you think?
I don't see the journey here.
I only see the end.
It begins with nothing.
Every cut, a decision. Every stitch, a commitment.
There are no shortcuts here.
Real processes, real craftsmanship. From zero to perfection.
This coat isn't just worn, it is experienced. Designed for collectors, for creators.
It is adequate. The board will be pleased.
It is everything we discussed. Perfection.
We don't just show the product. We reveal what's behind greatness.
This coat isn't just worn.
creators, and Titham, Helvrithiers, and those who value true craftsmanship.
Mr. Kane, it is perfection. Everything you asked for.
Greatness requires absolute control. No loose ends.
Luxury is not an accident.
Every stitch.
Every fiber, every detail.
Handcrafted to perfection.
A prayer for the wearer, so they are not lost. A piece of my story.
Every seam, every fiber, every decision was engineered with purpose. This coat is not just fashion. It is the final chapter of a complex human story. I need to use the restroom.
Of course. Down the hall to the left.
The roar and hiss of heavy machinery.
From nature, precision, to luxury. He forgot the parts in between.
This is not a display of fashion. It is a display of discipline. Every stitch here is a conclusion.
The result of months of research, of rigorous, relentless testing. What you are witnessing now,
The result of a complete journey.
This is not merely a fashion presentation, it's a documentation.
every thread, every stitch holds a research experiment.